Hi Marc, it's nice to meet you.
Hello, thank you. Nice to meet you.
If we start at the beginning of your football journey, how was it like going through the Barcelona youth system, and how did La Masia shape your playing style?
No, I think it was very good. It's a good experience when you was a kid, and me, I'm from Barcelona. I think was one of the best experience I can have, learn there. I think now I'm here because I play there and I learn a lot of things from there, so I'm very happy to have this.
At the beginning in Chelsea, you faced a lot of criticism. What did that teach you about facing all the pressure from the fans and from the media?
Well, yeah, it was tough moments, but now I can learn a lot of things. Now, for example, one of the things I learned is doesn't matter if you play good or you play bad, you are the same player, so know when you play bad you are the worst, and then when you play good you are the best one.
This is your third season in Chelsea. What is so far the best moment in the blue shirt?
Well, I think maybe I'm gonna say my debut, because it was a good moment and I fight a lot and I work a lot to play for a big club, and Chelsea gave me the opportunity to play from here.
And you played under 5 managers, Thomas Tuchel, Maurizio Pochettino, Graham Potter, Frank Lampard, and now Enzo Maresca. How did your role evolve under these different managers?
Well, when you have this, like a lot of managers in not a long time, so it's difficult, and you always try to learn things and then take it for you, for your life, for your football, and then now I think we have a bit of stability, so it's good. I can show my football. The manager gives me a lot of confidence.
You are known for your intensity and pressing. Do you see that as your biggest strength, or is there any other part of your game that you take a special pride in?
No, I think these two that you say is maybe my two main characters or attributes. I think I always try to give the best for my team, and now I am goal scorer, so hopefully I can score a lot of goals. But yeah, I'm very happy, and the two that you said, I think is the most important things.
Yeah, in the last 2 games you contributed also a goal. How special is it for the defender to score in 2 consecutive games?
No, it was very special. I'm very happy because now one of the things I always, since a long time ago, I think I can improve is like in the last third, maybe more goals, more assists, and this season I have this opportunity. I think I score a few goals.
And for the end, at the weekend you're facing Arsenal. What will Chelsea have to do to get 3 points?
No, I think we need to stay in our plan. We have the talent. I think we arrive in a good moment with a lot of confidence, and for us it's a special game, I think for the fans as well, so we try to do everything. We try to work hard to win these 3 points and have another win in our backs.
Thank you, Marc. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.